Before going into infringement, you just check here a few cases. Probably you have seen it in the news that Apple accuses Qualcomm of a patent infringement in countersuit, or you probably have heard about a news, very recent news of March 2024, that Delhi High Court orders a domestic smartphone maker Lava to pay rupees 244 crores to Ericsson for a patent infringement. It's a huge amount. It's another landmark. You can say that a big like damages are like slapped on a domestic developer or domestic, that is a company, that is a Lava. Delhi High Court granted 217 crores rupees lost profits damages to CCAI in a patent infringement suit against Mobi Antenna Technologies. Again, it is a May 2024 news is there. Xiaomi is sued in India and France in both jurisdictions over alleged patent infringement over a LTE advanced technology, which Sun Patent Trust claims that Xiaomi has been using in its 4G smartphones since 2018. Then Google faces Big Five. Google faces $7 billion US patent infringement trial over AI technology. Now, Microsoft, another Big Five, directed to pay IPA Technologies $242 million